guys, so we're going to try this again with sound. Yeah, so once again, Katie always forgets the sound. It's Monday. I hope you guys had a great weekend. Say hi to Rocky in the back getting his morning nap. Anyway, I did a blog post, I believe it was on Friday, about starting a business plan from scratch. For those of you that may have heard of it as a strategic plan, you know, the words are kind of interchangeable. Strategic plan, if you're already in business and you're looking to do this for the first time, or refresh your original business plan, you can also call it a strategic plan. There's a lot to consider when you're starting down the path of actually doing some planning for your business, or you're looking to start a new business and you need to kind of get a plan together. According to LivePlan, businesses that do plan their business and actively manage to a plan grow 30% faster than ones that don't. So there's something to be said about us planners. Anyway, this isn't really something you can wiki through or just, you know, throw together in an afternoon. Think of it like a big project, you know, when you're in high school or college, and one of those where let's meet up and try to do a little bit of at a time. This is something you want to give yourself the gift of actually doing slowly and not rushing through. You want to go out and make sure you have a good idea of some of your industry stats. You want to have a template. At the minimum, I know Score actually has a really awesome template. It's one that I used originally. There's software out there like LivePlan, which we're in the middle of moving to. And I like the idea of LivePlan because the whole idea is that it is not static. It's something that you update and you move with, and it's like rolling, and it gives you some great information as you go too. So, you know, it's not that business is a game. I know they talk about gamification and how it's supposed to make things more fun. There's a little bit of it to that, but there's some big stakes too. This could mean, you know, failure. This could mean success for you. So take the time and set yourself up to hopefully be successful by doing the right planning when you start out. If you have any questions, send me a message. Send KHB office a message, send me an email. My information is all over the place. If there's anything that I can help with or answer for you, I'm always here. So thanks so much for listening, and I hope you have a great rest of your Monday. And here's to Tuesday, when hopefully I've had a day in this week and I'm a little bit smoother when I do my Facebook Live. So thank you. Talk to you later. Bye.